Team WWE 15. In this video I will be unboxing WWE Series 17 Dolph Ziggler. Here's the package, and that's the figure right there. Also in this series there's The Miz, Mark Henry, Alex Riley, Zack Ryder, and Rey Mysterio. So yeah. So here's Series 17 Dolph Ziggler right here. It says Perfection, DZ. This one has him with short hair. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.